Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add column in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. Begin by opening your Excel worksheet where you want to add columns. Click on the letter header of the column located to the right of where you want to add a new column. This is the column after which your new column will be inserted. Now right click on the selected column header and from the context menu choose Insert. This will insert a new column to the left of the selected one. You will notice that a new column has been inserted. You can now adjust the column headers by clicking on them and typing in the desired header text. If you need to add more columns, simply repeat the process by selecting a column header and choosing Insert. That's it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.